Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're not new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, and friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So over the weekend, very, very nice continuation from Friday. Price got up above 10,000. Since then has rolled back over, sure. So that can maybe make the chart look a little bit shaky, but you have to also keep things in context. So let me squeeze down the chart. And the context and the fact of the matter is that even with this little bit of a pullback here, the general trend of things still very, very bullish. And that's why at the end of the day, I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that line, is really ask yourself, and let's go with the 15-hour number. So let's just say you're happen to watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one becomes, where's the price at relative to 9,500? As long as you're answering the question that the price is still above 9,500, then as far as I'm concerned, the price is perfectly fine. Because even if the price comes down here, and let's say, so you're watching this and the price is sitting there right at 9,500, I mean, still think about what that's telling you about the big picture chart. That's still saying that there's a set of lows there, set of lows there, some lows there, some lows down there. You envision these as stair steps. And big picture, still very, very clearly stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. Now, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within an hour, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking kind of rough. But assuming you care about the big picture of things, even if the price were to come all the way down here to 9,500, as I just showed, the overall trend still has plenty of opportunity to build an overall higher base, and that's what you want to see going forward. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is above 9,500, next question just becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 10,200, which is this area of resistance going forward? You can see right at that area is where the price got rejected. And if you're answering the question that the price is above 10,200, at that point, it's just a matter of, common sense, gut instincts. So the higher the price is above 10,200, just the more bullish the chart is. So if the price is at 10,300, don't get me wrong, that's definitely a nice sign of strength. But if the price is up there at 11,000, well, that is just that much bigger, that much more momentous. I don't think that's word. There's that much more momentum behind that sort of movement. If you're saying, yeah, Clay, the price is above 9,500, but it's also up above 11,000. Like I said, gut instincts will take you far in those, from that point of view. But overall, like I said, as long as the price is above 9,500, then that implies that the overall trend is still fully in the bull's favor, and that's what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.